Today's video is literally so exciting because I'm finally announcing a little collab that I've been working on for a very long time, and I already know you guys are going to love it and be so stoked. Collaborated with cosmetips and created my own beauty box. And what this basically means for you guys is you are about to save mega dollars on a bunch of my personal favorite goodies. Everything inside this box is a product I absolutely love. If you have never heard of cosmetips, they recently collaborated with Patricia Bright, Jake Jamie, Tweely, among tons of others. They create these curated little beauty boxes where you guys get to shop them for a mega discounted price. There are limited amounts, so honestly, if you guys love what's inside my box today, make sure you jump on the website like immediately to save a lot of money because they will sell out. Honestly, I'm so excited that I finally have this box in my hands right now. I haven't even opened it yet because I wanted to do a little unboxing with you guys and show you exactly how it comes because it is so luxurious. Before I even show you what's inside, I just want to break this down for you, okay? This box is £110. I'll list all the countries that this box will ship to down below. It does include New Zealand, Australia, USA, UK, and a bunch of other places. Let me break this down for you. If you are talking New Zealand dollars, I'm a New Zealander. This box is roughly $220, but the products inside bring the value of this. If you were to buy all of those products in New Zealand, $550. You're literally like halving the cost, and you guys are going to be obsessed with what I've put in here. I've worked with some of my favorite brands, so let's just dive in. First off, let me just show you how beautiful the detail is on this box. We decided to go for this gold foil with a really soft pink box. I got to completely customize everything. I wanted to create a box that you guys could actually like keep, reuse, you could display it, and it's just so beautiful. It's really hard for you to see, but the actual finish of the box has this like kind of glittery satin kind of look to it. It's so nice. It's got my signature on there, cosmetips, Shaaanxo, the beauty box. That's actually my signature too. So yeah, it's really personal. I'm obsessed, and obviously if you're wondering why I've got a bare face on right now, I'm going to apply everything in here so you can actually see how it works as well. Now if we open it up, what you're going to see is this little pamphlet on the inside. Obviously all the products are wrapped up real nice, so let's first go through this. On the very first page you have a little note from myself. Hey babes, I'm so excited to share my Shaaanxo cosmetips collab with you all. We've been working on making this box as amazing as possible for you, and I hope you love everything inside. This box includes some of my all-time favorites, so make sure you check out my videos for some tips and tricks on how to use everything. Thank you as always for your endless support. I wouldn't be where I am today without each and every one of you behind me. Please enjoy your goodies. Love, me. There's like a picture of the product on each page and a little message from me. I'll read through those as we go. Let's open her up. Got some tissue paper and then a bunch of bubble wrap. So let me just remove the bubble wrap so that you can see inside a little bit better. I've tried to make it look really cute in the box, but straight away you will probably notice every single one of these brands. I wanted to put stuff in here that I love, brands I love, products I use, some holy grails, and some things that I just think anyone will love, no matter what your skin color, no matter what gender you are. If you are a beauty lover, you will love this stuff. Okay, now I'm gonna open it outside of the boxes and show you a closer look inside of the products. Literally, I am so excited. Look how cute that looks. Let's start diving in. I'll show you each product and talk about it a little bit more in depth and put it on my face. So the very first product I'm going to show you guys is by Danish skincare, and this is one brand that's pretty much always in my skincare routine. This is my favorite product. I also love the cleanser, I love the moisturizers, everything. This product here is like a skin saver, and I feel like everyone would love it. It is called the Perfect Skin Power Treat, and back in the day it used to be called something different. I've mentioned it in a skincare routine probably might have been like a year or two ago. Like I've been using this for a very long time. I travel with it, I take it everywhere. This is my current one I'm using myself. It's a little bit dirty. Here we go. It used to be called the Smooth Skin Treatment. So yeah, it's been renamed, but it's the exact same thing. It's got ingredients like salicylic acid, chamomile, aloe, vitamin E, and more. This is how the inside of the booklet looks. It's super cute. There's an explanation of what the product does as well as my personal little note to you guys. Perfect Skin Power Treat is an ultimate pampering for your skin. The Perfect Skin Power Treat effectively combats skin problems while soothing your skin, reducing redness, and avoiding pore clogging. Your skin is left deep cleaned, soothed, soft, and really delicious. Basically a liquid exfoliator, kind of like daily mask kind of product. My note says, you guys know I've raved about this product for ages. It's the perfect liquid exfoliator that brightens, helps with breakouts and blackheads, and even helps to reduce redness. I like to whip it on with my fingers at nighttime before I moisturize. You will love it, this. I've gotten all of my friends addicted to it already. Literally, my friend was breaking out a lot and her makeup just was not sitting nicely on her skin at all. Gave her some of this stuff and she said it is like her holy grail. All I do is just take a few drops onto my fingertips and just kind of like pat it all over my face. It doesn't hurt or anything like that. It's super gentle. I like to really focus on breakouts. This morning I woke up with a breakout on either side of my temples and Hamish said that my devil horns are coming through. While that works its magic, I like to leave that on my skin for a few minutes before I follow with moisturizer. And I have popped a moisturizer in here because this is just so luxurious and I really wanted to share it with all of you guys because I know it's not a brand that is easily accessible. It's very expensive. It is very luxurious though, and I really, really love this stuff. I try not to talk about it too much because I feel bad because it is so pricey. So now is the perfect time for you guys to experience it for yourself. This is the Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream. In New Zealand, this goes for $117. Woo! She's not cheap. When you open up the packaging, this is just pure like luxury. Look at this. You only need a tiny amount of this product. This is how the packaging looks and it comes with a little scooper on the top as well. I've already got my own, so I'm going to use the one I've already got. I'm not going to open a new one just yet. I'm going to read off the little pamphlet just here. The Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream is a rich cream that feeds skin with plumping hydration and antioxidant packed Japanese purple rice for a dewy, healthy glow. And I've written here, this is another luxury product I was so excited to include in this box. The Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream is so gorgeous and hydrating and it looks amazing on bare skin or before your makeup. It really plumps up my skin and makes it look beautiful. We can see already my skin is absolutely glowing after my little exfoliating liquid, but wait till you see how it looks after I use this. So I've just pulled out the scoop and I really like to keep mine in my little skincare fridge, but this is how the formula looks. It's a really rich, nice, thick cream. There's a close-up of it in the actual pot. I'm just going to take it off the scoop. I really like this. It makes it a lot more hygienic. And you can just simply put your scoop back on. I'm going to rub it between my fingers and just apply this all over my skin and just like blend it everywhere. Holy crap, you guys, you just don't understand how nice this feels. Like, it's so silky smooth and it really plumps up your skin and just makes it look so hydrated, glowy, just like all of those things that I constantly say that I love. Like on my channel, this is what I aim for. Bright, young, plump, beautiful skin. And a quick tip, if you do have a more oily skin type and you think, well, I'm not going to use that, it is so nice just under the eyes as an eye cream as well, just a little tiny amount. I've used it like that many times and it's just really, really, really nice to really plump up that under eye area and just give it the hydration it needs. Can we just admire like how fresh and glowy my skin looks right now? And that's only the first two products. Next item I'm going to show you is for your eyes. So I'm going to whip on the rest of my makeup and I'll be right back. I am so hyped to announce that in your Shaaanxo and cosmetips box you get your very own Natasha Denona Sunset palette. Like, stop. Just to put things into perspective, if you purchase yourself this palette off Sephora New Zealand, you are going to be dropping about 230 New Zealand dollars. The cost of this entire box from Cosmetips is about 220 New Zealand dollars. Literally, it's like buy this and you get everything else for free. Like, it's crazy. I am just so excited we were able to get this over the line for you guys. I have often used Natasha Denona eyeshadow palettes in my videos. I'm always trying out her new ones. It's another product that's not accessible for everyone. I know I'd be very hesitant to spend this much money on a palette. I'm really lucky I get sent a lot of these in PR. So I like to do videos and test them out and let you guys know if it's actually worth dropping the money on them. And I've always said these are the kind of products where if you really want to treat yourself or buy it for like a super special occasion like your wedding or something like that, definitely go for it. It's not a necessity, it is a luxury and it is so lovely to have. And I'm so excited that any of you guys that purchase my Cosmetips box will get to have one of these for yourself. It's such a special item. They are crazy expensive, but they are beautiful quality and just really nice to look at. Every single time you use these palettes, like, you just feel fancy, which I love. So this is the Natasha Denona Sunset palette and I'm going to open her up for you. This palette's going to look beautiful on you whether you are super fair or super deep skin or anywhere in between. Perfect for a neutral daytime look or a more dramatic evening look. You've got got this really fun pop of red, pop of yellow, beautiful neutrals, some shimmers, some mattes. I wanted to make sure that I was putting in a palette from Natasha Denona that I thought would look really good on a lot of different people. This palette is described as Natasha Denona's warmest creation yet. Inspired by the sunset colors, this palette features 50 new gorgeous eyeshadows. So I'm going to create a really quick, simple, pretty look for you guys today, and then you guys get to recreate it when you get your box. So make sure you send me some photos of your box and the makeup looks you create using these products as well. I'm going to start with the shade Bermuda. On deeper skin tones, this is a really nice like highlight shade, or if you are more my skin tone or lighter, you can really get in the crease with it and create a nice transition shade, and it just makes all of the other colors easy to blend on top of. Next up, I'm going to take this beautiful chocolatey brown shade. It's called Terra, and I'm going to just pop that on my eyelid. I'm just using a blending brush, so this is just going to make it a little bit more sheer. These are super pigmented. One swipe, look at that. Let's do a shimmer too. One swipe, look at that. So if you want it to look like super opaque on your eyelid, just use an eyeshadow brush as per normal, but I'm just kind of using a blender brush just to give a wash of color, because I am going to go over top with shimmer anyway, and then just blending that through the crease. I'm going to use this one here. It's a little bit cooler, and it's called Ignis. I'm just using my blend brush again, just like stamping it on that outer corner, and then I'm going to blend it through. Now I'm going to take the shade Ice Gold. This is actually a really pale, like frosty white with a little bit of like a goldish kind of throwback. I like rub it onto my hand there. I don't even know if you're going to be able to tell on camera. It's super blinding. I'm going to pop that underneath my brow bone. So pretty. Now I'm going to take the shade Bronzage. Is it Bronzage? Bronzage, I don't know. And I've already cut my crease a little bit, and I'm going to apply that right on top, just pressing that on with an eyeshadow brush, and then going back in with that super white kind of color and putting that on my inner corner and making it like pretty blinding. I hope you guys are really stoked about my choice. It is such a beautiful palette, and I really hope you love these as much as I do. Next up, we have some lashes. We have the Lilly lashes Opulence, which are my favorite Lilly lashes style. I just have to show you a close-up. They are super long and wispy. Let me darken it so you can see better. Perfect for every day or evening. Long and wispy round lashes created to add a wide-eyed finish to your favorite makeup look without being too full or too dramatic. And I wrote here, I love long flirty lashes. The Opulence lashes give you sexy, smoldering eyes in one step. Pair them with your look for instant sass, and don't forget to save them to reuse them later. I'm going to pop on one and show you the before and after. Alright, so there is one lash on. Look at the difference. It's crazy. And the lash band's so thin, like you don't need eyeliner with this pair. That's still kind of like, you know, finishing sticking at the moment, but oh, so pretty. The next product in this box is a holy grail of mine for sure. The Glam Glow Setter. This couldn't have actually come at a better time either, because I'm about to run out of my one. So once again, of course, I will use my one up before I start my new one. But this is how it looks. This is the Glam Glow Setter Makeup Setting Spray. I love this. I love this to work with eyeshadows and highlighters, to, you know, spray on my brush before I go ahead and use them, just to make everything pop. I love it when I finish my makeup, just to settle all of my powders. It gives me a beautiful glow, and it makes my makeup last all day long, looking brilliant. The packaging is just ridiculously cute. Like, I'm obsessed with the packaging. The mist is so freaking fine. It literally blows it into like millions of tiny little particles, I swear to God, because when you're misting it over your face, there is never any globs. It's just like this fine mist. It's so good. I would say like I'm addicted to this product. I've written, oh my God, my favorite glowing setting mist. You know, I cannot stand a dry, cakey, matte finish. I love to spritz this all over my skin after finishing my makeup for the most amazing glow. So I'm going to show you guys exactly what it looks like when you put it on. So I like to just give it a quick shake, and then I like to slowly press down on the nozzle. And I don't even think you'll be able to see that mist because it is so fine. Oh, and the smell of it, it's so good. It smells real sweet and delicious, and it soaks into your skin like no other. It feels so delicious. I've raved about this a million times. I've probably used it in like 50 makeup tutorials, I swear to God, like it's crazy. And this lasts forever. Literally like one bowl of this, like, and you see how much I spray on my face? It lasts, okay? I never like run out of it quickly whatsoever. So that is how my skin is looking with the setting spray on, and that will lock my makeup in place as well for the rest of the day until we use the last item in my box, which is the face halo. Oh my goodness, you guys know I am obsessed with this. This is how it looks right here. This is a makeup remover, and this single one will last you how many washes? I forget how many like uses they say. The face halo will replace up to 500 single-use makeup wipes. It's better for the environment, it's recyclable, it's non-toxic, you can reuse it and reuse it and reuse it, it's gentle. I'm gonna link below my face halo video I did ages ago where I tried it for the very first time, and you know, even since that video I've fallen even more in love with it. Like, I literally use these things like pretty much on the daily. This is another thing my friend utilized into her skincare routine, and it really helped to clear up her skin because she was removing her makeup so much more thoroughly. Before, she was just using her fingers and cleanser, but now she uses this and then follows up with a cleanser. These little microfibers dig deep into your pores and just like pull everything out. I'm obsessed with face halos. I can't get enough. These replace the need for makeup wipes and are much more environmentally friendly. Simply wet with water and gently massage away your full face of makeup. You cannot go wrong with this. Magic, okay? Magic. It doesn't hurt, it doesn't tug, it doesn't feel weird at all. Like, literally, it's just amazing. It just works. And then you can just follow up with your cleanser just to, you know, properly cleanse your skin afterwards, and in case you do miss a little spot, and then follow up with your perfect skin power treat. Pop on some moisturizer and you are ready to hit the sack. I hope you guys love what I've done here with cosmetips. I had so much fun curating the box and figuring out how I wanted it to look and what I wanted inside of it. Snatch it up ASAP. This will not last long at all. It's a limited edition. Once stock's gone, it's gone, so make sure you get in quick. It will be linked down below. It's already out. Take advantage because honestly the savings are just unreal. It's crazy. This box retails for only £110 but has a value of £258. One of these items alone retails for £111, so it's pretty much like buy one thing and get the rest for free. And like I said in my little pamphlet, I wouldn't be where I am without you guys. Thank you guys so much for sticking around and supporting me through all these years. Collabs like this would not be possible without you guys, so I really appreciate your support and I hope you love what I've done, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!